To news overseas now, the U.S. Supreme Court on Tuesday heard arguments on whether the administration of Donald Trump can revive a controversial immigration policy used to turn back migrants at the U.S.-Mexico border. Some conservative justices signal support for the Justice Department's bid to overturn a lower court ruling blocking the practice known as metering. The policy limited the number of migrants allowed to apply for asylum, with officials arguing it was necessary to manage surges at the border. However, immigration advocates say the measure triggered a humanitarian crisis during Trump's first term, forcing many migrants to wait in makeshift camps in Mexico for a chance to seek asylum. The metering policy is not currently in effect, and President Trump has already ordered a broader suspension of the U.S. asylum system at the start of his second term. Now, the primetime news package continues with sports right after this break.